Good morning mga kabakan. Start tayo dito. Very simple function only. No need select the knob. This one is a main current. You can adjust low current to high current. Okay. And this one other is my hub stick, TIG and TIG spot. This one is repeat, manual and automatic. This one portion is pulse. Okay. Tapos chip gas. Tapos back to wheel. Air cooled. This one is only air cooled. It's not water cooled. Only air cooled. You can select this one. I can use warning because the torch is air cooled. Like this warning. Because the torch is for air cooled only. You want use air cooled. Yeah. Before I start, what you kind of materials we use? For example, aluminum. Like this aluminum. Before can select this, you can off power. You can select selector switch. For example, you can use stainless. You can select stainless. Or you can select aluminum. You can off these powers. You off this aluminum like that. Okay. For basic only. This one also you can adjust only. No need adjust the other for basic. You can use this. Okay. I will try my kabakal. Yes. Good morning. November 20, 2024. Araw ng araw may Tagalog na. Araw ng Merkules mga kabakal. Shout out po yung mga kabakal natin nandito sa likod. Ayan. Dito po tayo sa may Palawan. Okay, we can start welding. Okay. Yun on the on power. Using argon gas and you will aluminum. Okay. I will practice mga kabakal. Okay, start.